How are you all, dear? Welcome back to our online class. Today is 9th January 2021, Saturday. We'll start our new lesson, 10th class children, reproduction, part 1. How does reproduction takes place in mammals? Animals, including mammals, produce gametes, sperm and egg through meiosis in gonads. Testicles are present in males and ovaries are present in females. Sperm are produced by the process of spermatogenesis and eggs are produced by oogenesis. These processes are outlined in the article gametogenesis. All living organisms reproduce. Mammals reproduce sexually through internal fertilization. Mammals take care of their young ones through production of milk produced by mammary glands of the females. The can be divided into egg-laying monotrems, pouched marsupials, and placental mammals. The mammalian male reproductive system male contains two main divisions, the penis and the testicles, the latter of which is where the sperms are produced. The produced sperm are stored in the epididymis until ejaculation. The sperm cells are motile and they swim using tail-like flagella to propel themselves towards the ovum sperm. In higher vertebrates, what happens, especially the mammals, sperms are produced in testes. The sperm unites with the ovum, the egg of the female, to produce a new offspring. Mature sperm have been distinguishable parts. It has a head and a tail. Now we will see the diagram of male reproductive system. It is on the computer screen. Vas differentia, urinary bladder, viper duct, vas erectile tissue of penis, epididymis and glands, penis, the urethra, testicle and the tissues. What is the male reproductive system? The testicles are present, the duct system which is made of epididymis and vas deferens. The accessory glands which include the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, the penis is a male reproductive system, includes scrotum, testis, epididymis, vas deferens, prostate and the seminal vesicles. The penis and the urethra are the part of urinary and reproductive system. The male reproductive system includes scrotum, testis, spermatic ducts, sex glands, and penis. These organs work together to produce the sperm, the male gamete, and the other components of semen. What is the male reproductive system? The testicles, the duct system. It is made of epididymis and vas differentia. There are 12 to 20 ductils that lead to the rate of testis to the vas deferens, and except near their commencement are greatly convoluted and form the compact head of the epididymis. The accessory glands, which include seminal vesicles and the prostate gland, the penis. What is epididymis, children? It is a long coiled tube that rests on the backside of each testicle. It carries and stores a sperm cell and that are created in the testis. The vas deferens is the ductus deferens. It is a duct in male's body. It is also present in the male vertebrates. There are two types of ducts, which are tubes surrounded by smooth muscles. They connect the left and the right epididymis to the ejaculatory ducts in order to move the sperm. The seminal vesicle, which is known as the vesicular or seminal glands, are a pair of glands found in the male pelvis which function to produce many of the constituent ingredients of semen. They ultimately produce around 70% of the total volume of semen. The prostate is a walnut-sized gland located between the bladder and the penis. The prostate is just in front of the rectum. The urethra runs through the center of the prostate from the bladder to the penis, letting the urine flow out of the body. The prostate secretes fluid that nourishes and protects the sperm. Cowper's glands are pea-sized glands present inferior to the prostate gland in the male reproductive system. They produce thick, clear mucus to ejaculation that drains into spongy urethra. Each ejaculatory duct is formed by the union of vas deferens with the duct of seminal vesicle. They pass through the prostate and open into the urethra at the seminal collicutus. During ejaculation, semen passes through the prostate gland, enters the urethra, and exits the body via urinary meatus. The urethra is a thin fibrovascular tube that begins at the lower opening of the bladder and extends through the pelvic and urogenital diaphragms to the outside of the body, which is called external urethral orifice. The urethra also connects to the ducts. Differs in males for ejaculation of sperm. Sperm cells are gametes, which are sex cells that are produced in testicular organ gonad of the male human beings and animals. Like the female gamete oocyte, sperm cells carry a total of 23 chromosomes that are a result of process called meiosis. Sperm is made up of water, sugar, protein, vitamin C, zinc, and see the diagram of sperm. It has acrosome, nucleus, head, then is the middle part, which has mitochondria, the tail, which is the flagellar movements. Sperm has three parts. The head of the sperm contains a nucleus. The nucleus holds the DNA of the cell. The midpiece of the sperm is packed with mitochondria. The mitochondria are organelles in the cells that produce the energy. The tail of the sperm moves like a propeller around and around. Females' internal reproductive organs are the vagina, uterus, fallopian tubes, ovaries. The vagina is a muscular hollow tube that extends from the vaginal opening to the uterus. Got it, children? Because it has muscular walls, the vagina can expand and contract. Now here we will see the diagram of female reproductive system and we will learn the organs. And female internal reproductive organs are vagina, uterus, fallopian tube, cervix, and ovary. External structures include the mons pubis, pudendal cleft, labia majora, minor and minora, vulva, Bartholin's gland, and clitoris. See the diagram, all of you can understand the names. The main function of female reproductive system is to produce egg, ova, to be fertilized, and to provide the space and conditions to allow a baby to develop. In order for this to happen, the female reproductive system also has the structures necessary to allow the sperm from a man to meet the ova of the female. A female's internal reproductive organs are vagina, uterus, fallopian tubes, and ovaries. The vagina is muscular hollow tube that extends from vaginal opening to the uterus. Because it has muscular with the homework, children. First question is explain and draw male reproductive system. Second question, describe female reproductive system. See you all. Thank you. In the next class, send me the homeworks by 5 in the evening. Assalamu alaikum.